Hi, this is Robert Miller, and welcome to the courthouse in Riverside County that covers Murrieta and Temecula. This is the Southwest Justice Center. I'm here with a few tips about your court appearance here in Murrieta today. First of all, this is a full-service facility, if you will, so they do both criminal and civil cases. There is a criminal clerk and a civil clerk in this courthouse. There are jury trials here as well, and they handle both misdemeanor and felony cases. That would include everything from traffic tickets to DUI cases all the way up to murder cases. This court was actually created about 5 years ago when Riverside County decided to build this courthouse and close down the Hemet and the old part of the old Paris courthouse, which was formerly a high school before that, and also the Three Lakes, or the Lake Elsinore courthouse as well. When you arrive here in Riverside at the Murrieta Justice Center, you'll find that there are two entrances, and this is a key tip if you're going to enter. There's a two-lane entrance that's actually in front of the courthouse behind me. There's also a one-lane entrance that was originally designed for use by jurors. They were going to have jurors park in the back, but this area has grown so much that the parking has just sort of kind of taken over, and it's a free-for-all. The parking lot is marked as a public and juror parking jointly. But if you go park in the back, which would be the south part of the courthouse, you'll find it's much easier to park, and there's a one-lane entrance there that is generally empty. Sometimes they'll take jurors back there, but it's not jurors only. It's actually easier to enter from there. If you appear in the morning, if your case is not on calendar, they ask you to be here before 7:30 so that your case can be heard on the 8:30 calendar. There's also a 1:30 calendar that they use when the morning session fills up. And they're going to ask you to stand in a long line here in the morning. When you appear, when you enter through the doors, the first thing you'll see in front of you is the security check. They ask you to take out your cell phone, your keys, anything in your pockets, including change or a wallet, and any glasses like sunglasses or reading glasses. Put those in the tray, walk through, and then if the metal detector goes off, they're going to have you do a secondary inspection with a wand to check for metal. There's 2 floors in this courthouse, actually 3 floors, excuse me. The misdemeanors generally are on the first floor. Department S104 does misdemeanors, and then the courthouse has a second floor that generally is reserved for misdemeanors only. So S201 through 204 is where the felony cases are handled. And then the cases on the third floor are a mix of trial courts and also a civil courthouse, or civil courts, where they're going to have hear civil matters like contract disputes or business disputes. If you need a lawyer or an attorney that knows this court, I've been practicing here both in the present incarnation and also in the courts that used to constitute this area for 15 years, and I can help you